The journey of paper begins deep within the forest, where select trees are harvested. Logs are carefully organized upon arrival at the mill, ready for their transformation. Vast quantities of timber are efficiently managed in immense storage yards. The initial stage involves feeding whole logs into a colossal debarking drum. Within the drum, friction effectively strips away the rough outer bark from the wood. Debarked logs are then fed into powerful chippers, reducing them to small pieces. These uniform wood chips emerge from the chipper, forming growing piles for processing. A continuous flow of wood chips is transported by conveyor belts to the next stage. Chips enter towering digesters, where chemicals begin to separate wood fibers. Precise control rooms monitor the chemical pulping process, ensuring optimal conditions. Alternatively, mechanical refiners grind wood chips, separating fibers riveted into place. The shoe's internal mold, known as the last, is carefully prepared, acting as the foundation for the entire structure. The pre-stitched upper is then expertly pulled and shaped around the last, giving the shoe its primary form. Specialized machines precisely mold the complex curves of the toe and heel sections, securing the upper to the insole board. A rigid insole board is securely attached to the bottom of the lasted upper, providing foundational stability. Midsole components, often crafted from lightweight foam, are prepared and shaped to provide cushioning and support. A strong adhesive is meticulously applied to the midsole, preparing it for permanent attachment to the upper. The prepared midsole is then carefully aligned and pressed onto the shoe upper, forming a crucial layer. Outsoles are often molded under high pressure and heat, giving them their unique grip patterns and durability. The surfaces of the outsole are meticulously abraded, creating an optimal texture for adhesive bonding. A specialized, durable adhesive is carefully applied to the roughened surface of the outsole. Under precise pressure and sometimes heat, the outsole is permanently bonded to the upper and midsole assembly. For specific shoe constructions, a durable Blake stitch provides an internal bond directly through the sole and upper. Any excess material around the sole edge is carefully trimmed, ensuring a clean and refined silhouette. The edges of the sole are meticulously sanded and finished, achieving a polished and uniform appearance. Each finished shoe undergoes a thorough cleaning and polishing process, enhancing its final aesthetic. The final touch for many shoes involves carefully lacing them, ready for their journey. Each shoe undergoes a rigorous visual inspection, meticulously checking for any cosmetic imperfections or manufacturing faults. Functional tests ensure durability and performance, subjecting the shoes to simulated, real-world stresses. Once fully formed and stable, the internal last is carefully removed, revealing the shoe's finished shape. Finished shoes are meticulously paired and tagged, ensuring correct sizing and product information. Tissue paper or special inserts are gently placed inside each shoe to maintain its form during packaging and transport. Each finished pair is carefully placed into its designated box, ready for distribution. Each box is precisely labeled with essential product information and then sealed for secure transport. Robotic systems efficiently stack sealed shoe boxes onto pallets, preparing them for bulk transport. Palletized shoes are then moved into vast warehouses, awaiting their final destination. The completed products are then loaded onto trucks, embarking on their journey to retailers and customers worldwide. From raw material to finished product, each pair represents a culmination of design, craftsmanship, and technology. The journey of shoe manufacturing relies on a symphony of diverse materials, each playing a vital role. This intricate dance of material and machine, hand and mind, tirelessly brings footwear to the world.